everyone, before this video gets started, if you were an Uber driver and you forgot to use a referral code when you signed up, you can still apply my referral code to receive a bonus of up to $1,000. It might be $500, it might be $100, but it's still better than nothing. So once again, if you were an Uber driver and you forgot to use a referral code, then follow the directions in the description below. Hi guys, my name is Crystal and welcome back to the Rideshare Hub. I'm a freelance makeup artist, model, background actress, and content creator, and I drive for Uber and Lyft part-time to supplement my income. Today, I'm going to be talking about how I made $20 an hour working only 15 hours in this week. So before I get into this video, please hit like, and that would help us out so much. Also, feel free to subscribe to the channel to receive more videos on Uber and Lyft. Now, let's go ahead and get into the video. This particular week, I didn't work all week long. I only worked 3 days. So I'm gonna go over each day I worked and how many hours I worked. And I already told you my hourly rate for the week was $20 an hour. So let's go ahead and break it down. On this week, I took Monday off and I worked on Tuesday. I worked for 5 hours and 5 minutes and made $114.88. So I usually drive anywhere between 4 to 6 hours a day. That's the typical day for me. So on this day, working 5 hours, I made $23 an hour, which is awesome. The next day, on Wednesday, I worked for 5 hours and 52 minutes and made $116.16. When breaking that down, my hourly rate for Wednesday was $19 an hour. So still good, but I usually make $20 an hour and that's what I usually expect. So 19 is somewhat lower than usual. Still not bad though. Thursday, I only worked for 3 hours and 44 minutes and I made $80.93. On that day, my hourly rate came out to $20 an hour. So Friday, Saturday, and Sunday, I took the days off. So for the week, I had made $311.97, working 15 hours and 26 minutes. So overall, for the entire week, my hourly rate averaged to $20 an hour. So how I get to $20 an hour, this is what usually works for me, and I recommend you guys doing this, is starting early in the day. Here in Los Angeles, especially West LA, everybody is trying to commute to work using Uber and Lyft because they don't want to find parking, they don't want to pay for parking, and then rush hour is crazy. Some people just can't stand traffic. I have a lot of patience, so I don't mind driving in traffic, and I start off early in the day, like 8 o'clock, I'm already picking up passengers, and at that time it's a peak hour, so when driving for Uber, the prices are surging like 2 times, and that just makes the day so much easier because I can earn like $50 within a couple of hours. So like 8 to 11, I can already make 50 to like $75. So I definitely recommend starting early. And obviously the more you drive, the more you'll earn. So if you drive Monday through Friday, peak hours, you're gonna earn some good money. Also, when people get off work, taking them home from work, sometimes the areas in West LA are surging at that time too. So those are some great times to work. And then I also do airport rides, so I take people to LAX and then I pick up people from LAX and take them wherever they need to go in the city. So that is also a great way to just get an immediate passenger if you're having trouble like finding passengers. So those are my tips for you. Especially if you drive part-time, you just want to get out there and earn some quick cash. Use those tips and you are almost guaranteed to make $20 an hour. I mean, of course you got to pay for gas and all that stuff, so bring it down to maybe $15 an hour, but $15 an hour is still pretty great. I mean, that's more than minimum wage. So just go out there, drive, good luck, be safe, and I will see you guys next time. Once again, please hit the like button and then subscribe to the channel, and I will see you guys later. This has been another episode of the Rideshare Hub. Bye.